This is the Boom 68 from Langtu and it's my very first magnetic switch na keyboard. And aside sa ang ganda talaga niya tingnan, wireless na din siya. Initially, hindi ako talagang mahilig sa mga super compressed na mga keyboards kasi kailangan ko ng distance para sa arrow keys. But actually, yung paglagay nila ng volume knob dito gave me some headroom na nakapag-adjust agad ako with this keyboard. It uses double-shot PBT keycaps and yung magnetic switch niya is a 2-pin magnetic switch that kinda reminds me sa itsura ng KTT Mints na mechanical switch, both sa itsura, feel, at sa katunog ng switch na to. And dahil magnetic switch to, you can definitely adjust yung actuation point nito para magkaroon ka ng advantage when playing competitive games. But I don't think everyone would enjoy configuring this kasi wala siyang standalone app. You actually can adjust it using yung online web app nila through a browser, which is something na hindi ako ganun ka-confident about security-wise and at the same time naka-Chinese yun. So unless may translator ka dun sa browser mo, may hirapan kang mag-navigate para sa configuration nito. At first, I was skeptical kung mararamdaman ko talaga yung adjustment ng actuation point niya kasi wireless nga. But it actually does work and hindi naman ganun karandam talaga yung latency kasi naka 2.4 GHz naman na receiver. Pagdating naman sa light bar sa taas, contented na sana ako but there's one missing segment as you can see here. Though hindi siya ganun kahalata pag ginamit mo yung pink or purple na kakulay ng bar. But using different colors, may halata nyo talaga na may gap between one of them. So that's the Boom 68 from Langtu and definitely I'm digging the aesthetic ng keyboard na to.